Welcome to MASB's Legal Literacy, where we briefly cover legal information for school board members. I'm Brad Banasic, MASB's legal counsel, and today I'll be covering the issue of discussing written legal opinions in a closed meeting. When you look at closed meeting exceptions under the Open Meetings Act, you'll notice there isn't an exception that specifically states a closed meeting may be held to review an attorney-client privilege opinion. So how does a school board legally meet in closed session to discuss a written legal opinion? Section 8H of OMA permits closed meetings to consider material exempt from public disclosure or discussion by state or federal statute. The interplay between this exemption and the non-disclosure provisions of the Freedom of Information Act permit a school board to convene a closed meeting to discuss a written attorney-client privilege opinion. FOIA provides a public body may exempt from disclosure as a public record under this act information or records subject to the attorney-client privilege. Thus, a written opinion of legal counsel addressed to a school board that is covered by the common law attorney-client privilege is exempt from public disclosure under FOIA and is therefore also exempt from the requirements of OMA. Opinions, conclusions, and recommendations based on facts are protected by the attorney-client privilege when the facts are disclosed to the school district's retained legal counsel for the purpose of receiving legal advice. So the intent of the attorney-client privilege is to permit a client to confide in the client's counselor, knowing that the communications are safe from public disclosure. However, a closed session under Section 8H isn't permitted for the purpose of receiving a verbal legal opinion because verbal opinions are not covered by the definition of public records under FOIA. If you have any questions about meeting in closed session to discuss legal opinions protected under the attorney-client privilege, please contact the MASB Legal Department or refer to MASB's Open Meetings Guide.